Very strange. Oh, it's working. Nice. This mic is working. Okay. Working. Let me minimize it. Okay. So while I'm streaming, my PC. When no one is watching, it's a better opportunity for you to ask anything you want. Continue, please. Yeah, I got into dashboard. Cloudbot. Chatbot? Yeah, chatbot. It should be turned on. Oh no, not this one. Where is Cloudbot? Did they remove the Cloudbot? Streamlabs. Cloudbot, yeah. It's inactive. Why would that be inactive? Strange. Oh, let's see now. Okay, that's done. For some reason this is going inactive most of the time. So let's ignore it. Okay. Now let's begin our basic setup. This is Golang server. Yes. My main setup for now is to turn on the temple setup. I'm using as of now like generic views and HTML templates, but it's better to use temple. So let's begin the setup for it. Temple idea. Introduction, quick start, installation. So basically I have to do this. Okay, and then what? As a tool. It's fine, I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, Docker, I don't need Docker for that. And then syntax. Now, okay, this is fine. And then temple generate completed. Where is the template? I don't see a template anywhere. Maybe I forgot the name. Temple generate file. Okay. Generate Go code from temple file. Temple file will generate a HTML underscore temple file containing Go code. Jagdeep, welcome, bro. I'm trying to spin this up. To use it, create a temple.file containing the component. Okay. What should I create? Hello. Hello.temple. Temple, I think this is the one. Temp-L. Temp-L, yeah. This should be it. Is there no temple VS code? Okay, yeah, this is one, I guess. Looks like it. Looks like it's working. Okay. And then normally I generate something like this. Oh, now it's working. Okay. Oh. Now I understood. Okay, do I have to run this every time? Temple generate for all the templates? In the main.go, I have to component render this, run the program, and it should be working fine. Let's see how can I integrate with this fiber. Yeah, this was the one. Example, go.main.go, temple file. We have something here. Okay. And then Oh, we can create in this way, name for the context. This is interesting. When I moved to Next.js from Express.js. That's a fine choice. We are switching libraries as if we are switching water bottles, man. I have this. I don't think I have to mess with this one, so fine. How did they work with okay, render? So I need this whole function then. Render component. Okay, I'm going to use this one function. Why am I getting errors? Okay, time to run go mod tidy. Yeah, now it's working fine. Thank you. Okay, so I would love to have this render function, and it should have template from here. Okay, and then inside return statement, we normally use this one. So inside return, oh, I don't have it here. I need to write it. Namaste, namaste. Why is speak command not working? I turned off my streaming PC, so I might need to restart my Raspberry Pi. 1 second. So let me refresh everything. Refresh. I'm just refreshing few things, guys. 1 second. Refresh, refresh, installer, refresh, alert box, refresh. Yeah, so far so good. Let's try this one more time. Oh, I don't have voice attack as well. Beginner's mistake. Even though I'm streaming for like 2 years now, I still forget some things. Okay, I'm waiting for it to turn on. Will it turn on? Yeah, turn on. I would like to test the speak command one more time. Vulture Gaming, good. Guy from Nepal. Do you guys think there is a lot of static noise? But why are you guys not telling me that? There is a lot of static noise, so I'm going to fix it right away. Yeah, it's working. I just have to do certain things. I have decreased the sound of my Elgato a little bit. I was getting a lot of static noise. Why didn't you guys complain about it? Okay, this function needs to be there in a lot of places. So let's have it inside. What's the time for you guys? Is it the right time to stream on weekends? So Friday night, it's Friday night. So I wanted to have some fun. But on Saturday mornings, I don't really have to do much. So I woke up at 9, Nahalia. I took a bath and came back here. So currently I'm back to streaming mode. So do I have internals? Internals will have like utils, will have a combination of all the functions which I would need. Package.internals, okay, yeah, this will be working fine. Can you try one more time? I can hear it. That means speak is working, but for some, I think there is a issue with the voice meter. It's not passing the audio. Figure it one more time, please. You don't even have a voice now. So yeah, I can hear it and you can't hear it. That means there is something wrong with here. Let me fix it. Where is the Elgato? I don't see the Elgato at all here. That's a problem. I have Elgato here. That means there should be an Elgato. If you guys can see it, let me know. I don't see it. I don't see it. Yeah, I have it here. Okay. Now you should be able to hear it. 100%. So whenever I restart my PC on my server PC, thanks for the like. How many likes do I have now?
Siddhant ODA says, happy.
Again, I'm getting the same Go mod tidy stuff. Why isn't it working here? It should be level 2, not. Okay, that's fine. So I have the render function here. Now I'm supposed to use it in, let's say, web routes. So deals, return, not deals, so yeah, this is the one. Okay. Return utils, render, c dot, okay. I don't need all these for now. Thanks, guys. How much? Is someone spamming the likes? I think I need to set up a command so that it would tell me how many likes do I have. So render doesn't have a function. I have it. Let's say render temple so that it won't get confused. Maybe I forgot to import util. Okay, amaze, deals, routes. No, not routes. Internals, utils. Now this one is not import. Okay. Where is this? Utils. I think utils is not the right name, so let's change it to helpers. Not healers, helpers. Oh yeah, I have the function name now. It's not the problem with the file name. So basically file name doesn't matter. It's the package which matters. Thanks, guys. Hey, now I reached 5 likes. That means I'm getting real likes now. So I learned one thing over here, which is in Golang, doesn't matter what file name you use. I have set it to helpers, utils, doesn't matter. It would take the packages we have here. So I'm getting it back to utils. You guys making me dance. So render template will take, I'm back again. The fiber.map, it shouldn't be a map. I think it should be just this. We'll take the component of this one. So I have temples inside temples package. It's in the main package. It's in the main package, so I think I might need to bring it out instead of main package. Let's write temples.
Siddhant ODA says, bro, we can stream 10 HRS.
Bro, we can stream 10 hours. I would die if I stream for 10 hours, man. I mean, yeah, if I'm getting, fun doing that stuff, then no problem. No problem at all. Temple generate, I think this is the one. Yeah. Yep, it's working fine now. So what I'm supposed to do is, what's the problem here? Declared but not, yeah, that's fine. So in this place, I have to return the, is this a function? It's hello.
Siddhant ODA says, so you are saying you don't enjoy us, okay?
That's not what I'm trying to say. So there are 3 things I need to maintain. One is my eye strain. There is a light sitting right across me and it beams continuous light. And sometimes I feel painful over here. That means my eyes are tired. That's why I use this. And the next thing is my upper back. Hi guys, I talked to.
Siddhant ODA says,
Oh,
Ari, I'm just kidding, babe.
you're streaming at the odd times. The weekends I stream at the morning so that you guys can watch it. Normally when I stream at night, for you guys it's morning and you would be busy in your lives. But if I stream now, what is the time in India? I think it's the right time, 9 p.m. or 9. It's not even 9 yet, so I hope you guys could watch it at least for some time. I don't want you to watch the entire stream, but I felt I can, you guys can watch so that you don't have, I have to go catch a bus, I have to go to my class, I have to go log into my office computer, something like
Siddhant
that.
ODA says, we can have fun entire night, babe.
Temples dot home. This is the function I have. Maybe I need to refer to the example of how they are using it. How did they import the home? So inside home, they have the package main and its home function. So let me also use the same. Oh, I wrote it in a small name. I wrote it in a small. Okay, sorry. It should be home. Let's say home. Yeah. Generated. Yeah. Now it should be working fine. Temples.home. Okay. Hello world. So insert from home there will be deals. I am liking this, man. I am liking this. Internal dot deal. Yeah, deal. Okay. This will have an array of this, so it's fine. Why it is in blue color? Okay, it's fine. We have Anish, welcome. Petition to change the render template to render temple. How did you see it? Oh yeah. I can have render itself. I can have render itself. That means you are watching what I'm typing. Interesting. Unlike Siddhant or Jagdeep, they just want some white GF and that's it. They don't really care what I'm typing. Respect. I still have temple. Oh. Is it fine? Render versus. Is it fine to. Let's have it. Temple. Temple. It's temp L, not temp. Okay. Temple. Okay, it has the. Why am I not getting. Is it still. Okay. How do I generate it automatically? When I change this template, I want this to be generated automatically. Do I have to do it in air? How can I set it up? Air. So where is the build command? This one. I have to write something like this. Temple generate. I think I'm doing this right. Inside temple. Hey, month. Welcome back, man. Long time. See, that's the reason I'm trying to stream in this time so that all my old viewers can also come back. Normally, when I stream at nights or early mornings for you guys, some people don't really have that much time to watch my stream. I think I'm doing this right. Inside temples. Let's try what happens if I do this. Error cannot generate, fail to generate code for zip, 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 zip. Okay, what is the error? Expected argument list. Guess I'm having a learning curve. I'm back. Normally I wake up at 11 a.m. so I couldn't join. See, that's a proof. Show my face. Show my face. See, that's what I'm telling you guys. I know I'm not streaming at a regular times, but if I stream on Saturdays, for me early mornings, this is not even early morning, it's 11. If I could start at my stream at 10 a.m., let's say, I can get all my old viewers back. I can just say hi. That's it. That was my own plan. I wasn't really expecting anything else. So that I can justify you guys also watching my. I hate you, man. Huh? If it's a testing, dislike, then it's fine. But if you are genuinely disliking my stream, let me know what you didn't like so that I can help you guys. Back to gaming. Let me get some water. So this is the second dislike. I don't want water to be falling on my mic. Feel good. Something's. I'm pretty serious now. That means. Oh. Did someone really dislike my stream? If so, let me know. It's fine. It's your opinion. It's fine. Just let me know what you didn't like so that I can work on those stuff. Oh, this is the error. Oh, this is the error. But why am I not getting the... How do I for loop? I'm sure that's you. You have 2 accounts, I guess. Map. Hey Demon, if you're still watching, are there any extensions which I'm supposed to use so that I can have a better syntax here? Temple Go, maybe I can feed inside here. Developer tools, yeah, finally. CLI reload, live reload.
Siddhant ODA says, I'm doing it now just so you can know it's not me.
That's definitely you, man. IDE support, yes. There comes the snap. There comes the, spam, I guess. Yeah. Wow. Are you guys even... Siddhant was timed out by Vulture Gaming for 86 seconds. Vulture, bring him back, please. Where is Vulture Gaming? Yeah, Vulture, dude, bring him back. Bro, congrats on what? Finally, man, watching growing. Huh? I don't think that's. I think there's a glitch or something with YouTube. I normally don't get that many viewers. This is what I'm doing. Huh? Is it for real? Also gaming. I'm getting you guys back. 1 second. Let me see. This is what's happening. Vulture is removing you guys. So how can I remove this? Unhide user. Yes. Where are my mods? Yep, it's done. Would anyone like to be my mod again? Yeah, this feels good. This feels good. Celebrate. Vulture is ruining my things. I have removed him from moderations, but somehow, yeah, that's done. Not cool, Vulture. Not cool. Not cool. Unhide user. View deleted message. Yeah. So I'm removing Vulture. Hide user from channel. Yeah, that's fine. Siddhant, can you still see me? Unhide user. Okay, whom did he all unhide? Manthan. Okay. This is absurd, man. He needs some mental therapy or something. This makes me angry. Can you guys try texting something? Yeah, so Vulture Gaming was also one of my viewers, and he's a kid, so he wanted to be a moderator or something. But Gaming Kids, welcome, bro. Anvesh. Yeah, something's happening. I don't know how to fix this thing. I don't really have anyone as a moderator now. So, hidden users, these are all the people who gave me some troubles. Okay, I'm bringing back Siddhant. Siddhant should be out of here. What are other people? I don't really recognize all these. So, okay, seems fine. Save. Oh, I think I didn't save it. Probably that's the reason. Yeah. I can give you a moderator, man. I think you did absolutely deserve it. So, what's your name? Jagdeep. There are a lot of Jagdeeps. Which one of you is this? That's definitely not you. That's the problem. We have to find the right name, and it only allows me like 5 users. Maybe Siddhant can be a better. Siddhant. I got 10 likes, but okay. Do I have to do that? Jagdeep Singh -KD Nightcrawler. Welcome to the stream. Hey, someone has blogged my Relangi Mama bot. I hate this guy, man. I'm regretting giving him the mod. He ruined everything for me today. It's not working. Jagdeep, I promise I'll find something. But why was my chatbot is not working? You can add GG on Jagdeep. So my chatbot is not working. It says you have been timed out by the owner of this video or moderator. Edit and try again. I'm just getting angry on this person, Vulture Gaming. I regret giving him a mod. Okay. Relangi Mama. Is this me? No. Where is my own account? Does someone use markdowns on websites? I do. I do use markdowns, yes. Sorry, I'm so sorry, Nightcrawler. I'm facing some issues with moderators. I have assigned a moderator power to one of this person, Vulture Gaming, and he absolutely ruined my entire chat. So I'm trying to bring back things. So give me 1 minute. I'm testing this. So where is my Relangi Mama bot? Yes. So is there anyone else? I have supposed to unhide Manthan. Okay, it's done. So Jagdeep, what happened was Vulture Gaming was a kid from Nepal, I guess. So he was excited. All he wanted was to become a moderator, and I have assigned him a moderator. I'm testing my bot. 1 second. Still not working. What happened to me? Yeah, Manthan. Sorry, I'm so sorry. If you can see my screen now. So Manthan, where is Manthan? Manthan managed delete by Blazing Bay. That's not me who deleted them. So you can see Vulture Gaming. So this dude has removed all of you from, my channel. So I'm trying to bring back whoever he did remove. So let's try assigning Siddhant Jagdeep as a moderator, but add as a moderator. Yeah. Yep, Jagdeep. Can you try it one more time to see? Where is Relangi Mama? Relangi Mama is my moderator. Is Iron Man working? No. No, you are a moderator now, Jagdeep. So try to fix whatever issues you have right now. So I think Manjeet, I can see Manthan's text, but I can't see my own chatbot. Dude, I just regret this. I'm going to take a screenshot of this person. I hope he gets worse. At least worse one day. Fine. It's still, my bot is not working. It says my bot is banned. Is there anything else I can do, guys? Is there anything? I don't even see it here. So let's see. This is my bot, and let's put for 10 seconds. I'm so sorry, guys. I thought I would enjoy this stream, but that one person just ruined it. I regret giving him the mod. He was a kid. He was excited, so I just gave him. So this is the dude I'm talking about. Yeah, I think it's working now. Finally, it's working. Poof. Okay, my bot is working. Sorry, the bot is working. I will now assign him as a bot, as a moderator, so that all the messages these Relangi Mama sends, those will be unfiltered. Jagdeep, don't do anything stupid, please. You know, it took me almost 15 minutes and some stress to get things back in action. So if anyone else couldn't send any messages, Jagdeep is free, Manthan is free. Siddhant, are you still here? I'm not seeing Siddhant messages. So there are two options. The one option is standard moderator can review and remove chat messages and use. Oh, that's better. Oh no, there is. Oh, I have given him the big one for the. What is it? What did you name your bot? Relangi Mama. You will know it once I assign powers. You will know it. Relangi Mama is my moderator now. So, hi. So yeah, Relangi Mama is the moderator now. So I can also manage things myself. Peace. Okay, let's welcome Nightcrawler. And did I get any new people as of now? No. Also, man, you are one of the worst person I have met on the streaming platform. There was some spam people, but this guy just ruined. I think it was me. It was my fault who gave him such power. So, all right, peace. Yeah, this Spider-Man is fun. So Nightcrawler, sorry. Welcome to the stream. The stream is all about coding and a little bit of gaming sometimes. As you are aware, there are cool stuff you can do. Speak command. You can control what appears on my face. There are some, Spider-Man, kiss, put commands, and Relangi Mama is my bot who handles the likes and everything. What was the command for Captain America? That's not really a Captain America. That's respect. Someone also disliked my stream. So that's what happens when someone dislikes my stream or removes a like. You can try that. But if someone else disliked it, check the options when assigning the mod. There should be some access levels you can assign. Yeah, true. I'm not seeing Jagdeep's and Siddhant messages. If you guys having trouble sending messages, I would suggest you to ping me in Discord so that I can know. That's what happens when someone likes my stream. So everything which is currently happening on my stream is handled by Relangi Mama. There is no help. Jagdeep is here, so everything's fine. Siddhant is not still here. Let me text him. Oh, hi dude. You good with sending messages on channel? Siddhant is still banned. I just removed him from Oh no. Oh, I saw. Oh, there's nothing really. It's like plain. It's drive link and yeah. Hey, that's it. He should be able to send messages. Let's see. I'm also working on something, so 70% here. Yeah, it's fine. I'm just seeing where is my live stream. This is the live stream, and where is Siddhant? Siddhant. Yeah, here is the Siddhant, and let's reset. Let's put him on a timeout for 10 seconds. This will reset things. I'm not really hidden here or anything, so he should be fine. Siddhant, after 10 seconds, try sending a message. In the meantime, let's focus on this. Okay. Oh, there is a lot of. So yeah, they suggested me to download the stem VS Code, Temple VS Code. I think I already have it. Yeah, this is fine. And then they want me to set these. Where do I set this normally? In settings.json. VS Code, and it should go something like this. And what are Tailwind? I'm not really doing any Tailwind CSS as of now, so. Okay,
Siddhant ODA says,
language.
Great power comes without much
Yeah,
responsibility. Do such weird ass things in life sometimes and laugh and sleep peacefully.
I did learn something, so I did learn today that I should not be feeling sympathetic for kids, especially kids. There were a lot of annoying kids back in the day. They would ask for moderators, and I was like, yeah, they are kids. They're just having some fun, and I gave him. So Vulture was also watching along with his friends, who were his classmates, I guess, and he was like, I want to do something. I just gave him the mod. He was good that day. When I actually gave him the mod, he was helpful that one day, and now he ruined it. And especially on my day 2 of having some good streams. Formatting failed. Why? Dude, Siddhant, you are one of the worst person. Have you watched? Let's copy paste the name and see. I'm so Nightcrawler. I do watch a lot of Malayali films. If this is one of it, and I don't really remember those names, but I do enjoy them. Mostly crime thriller. This one I didn't really watch. No. Oh, sorry, it's Tamil, I guess. Mine is in money. Is this next? Man, is this Next.js? Is that good? It's a tool. If you use it good, it's going to be better. But it has the reputation of once you get into Next.js, you have to do it in their way. So keep in mind of that. But yeah, for your project, I think Next.js is a good option. Is anyone an expert in this? I don't really need formatting, editor for formatting. Okay. Oh, Next.js. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Next.js is fine, but it was mostly designed to be a Spring Boot version of JavaScript. So it's exactly the same injection, everything. If you are familiar with Angular, it will be really, really good for you to use Next.js. It's good, but don't switch backend frameworks that often. Just stick to one. Nest.js is different. It's not. So it's trying to be Spring Boot. If you're not even using Spring Boot, then why are you worried about Nest.js? So we can see it has component inject like microservices, dependency
Siddhant
injection.
ODA says, I still use Next.js for most of my projects, paid or free, but I won't use it for my startup.
Yeah, man, later I found out Node.js is not good for microservices. So if you are, if you're going full end, then pick another language instead of JavaScript. Thank you, Anish. I'm seeing, I don't really tinker much with, these settings. Do you have this in your VS Code settings? File associations, do I have to just write it here in this way? But am I using I'm using this one. Do I have to name it as TMPL? No. Something's broke again. Let's see. What's happening here? Why am I getting an error message when I have most of the stuff? VS Code, I hate you so much. cd dot dot go mod tidy. Normally this would fix such things. Why would it, if the same imports are working fine? Let's remove this and see what's happening. Fiber, yeah, v2, that's fine. And internals, that's fine. Temples, I think I need to import temples. So where is temples? Util? No. Temples. Here is the temples. And from the package temples, I need to import home. Yeah, no problem, man. Manthan, thanks for joining. Yeah, before you go, yeah, you can do that. Temples package is not being imported for some reason. Oh, I didn't have the generated file. So yeah, let's.
Siddhant ODA says, you find streaming at this time? It's actually a cool time for weekends.
For weekends, 100%, yes. Oh, on the one I pasted, may have been for Golangs in build templates package, not for the temple framework. So let me revert that change, or can I comment this? Yes. But for some reason, yeah, I have to generate this build, but I think Air is not working as expected. How can I trigger this inside a directory? I know that's the problem. CD temples. Temple generate. What? Movies. Welcome to the channel, movies. Go more tidy. No. What was the command which I used? When can I join your stream? I can't join at 9 a.m. so as I wake up at 11. On weekends, this time you can join. But if you are not watching on other days, I would post some highlights of my stream so you can watch those. That would help me as well. What is the command to generate these things? What was the command? Installation, create a temple component. Yeah, temple generate. It says something. Let's see. Did I miss something here? Oh. Hey, Nitro, sorry. I want to make my portfolio with mostly Markdown. Looks cool. Blogish on Next.js. Do you have any reference or open source Next.js projects? Straightforward answer is no. I don't really have it, but Markdown is nothing but if you want to. Yes, exactly, Vijay. Yes, movies. What's up? You can use a lot other commands. Movies. There is pick command. There is points. You can use put commands to control what appears on my face. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. If you want to try it out, do try it. So Nightcrawler, I don't recall the Git repository for that, but there is a CSS project. What it does is it's going to assign those look for all those p tag, like h4 tags that you have. But it's ultimately CSS. If you're not doing anything else with the Markdown, if you just want your website to look as Markdown, then you will obviously need a CSS. There is a CSS for Markdown. I don't know if I could find it. What is this? So yeah, you have to pick something like these, and Next.js, React.js doesn't really matter in this situation. All you need is a CSS. If all you want is if your HTML text looks like Markdown. So when you say looks like Markdown, then all you need is a CSS. And it's not that hard to write. So something like this. So do you want your website to look like this or like this? But there are two differences. Either your website if you want to look like this, or do you want your website to look, or whether you want your website to be written in Markdown and it would convert into HTML or something like that. So there is my website, which is also written in Markdown. So entire this
Siddhant
thing.
ODA says, Yeah, the later part. He meant that.
He must answer that. Movies. You said bro, but you're not sending anything else. Is it cool? I'm doing the same actually Next.js plus Markdown for my own site. It's not live yet. So I don't use Next.js. I'm using static rendering. This is all written in Markdown, this entire web page. I do write some blogs. Oh, hi. I have an hackathon, Code for Good by JPMC. Currently, I'm in the second year, and I don't know much about. Do I need to prepare for this hackathon in 3 weeks? Can you help me with this? I have no shame to admit that I haven't done any hackathons in my entire life, so I don't really know. You sound as if you know a lot more than me. Actually, I've never really done much hackathon in my life, so try asking the chat. Maybe Jagdeep or Siddhant, Anvesh might help you as well. I don't want to give you false or unreliable recommendations or help. So yeah, sorry for not able to help you. So ninth problem, Siddhant, do you have a good insight? Yeah, I'm going back to my basics. So what am I doing here? Does it work fine? Expected argument a list. Why would it not show the error here if that's the case? Okay, so D is map hello. Let's see if that works fine. Then it works fine. Expected or type argument list. Does it complain that I'm giving a list or what's happening? Or am I messing up here? Oh my goodness. Does it work fine now? It's not working fine. Anime, whoa, I'm studying Spring Boot. Is that worth it? Yes. Yes, Spring Boot actually gets you jobs. So move ahead. Sorry, I just saw your comment. So yeah, move ahead. Learn Spring Boot, but learn core principles: dependency injection, microservices, and database handling using ORM. These three things, if you learn along with Spring Boot, then you are good. If you just learn spinning up an API without using dependency injection, XML handling, and database handling, then you don't really learn much. So try to have at least 3 servers and try to learn with microservice architecture. If you want plus points, then try to learn a logging system as well. Yeah, there is a still roadmap, but if you are looking for a job, Spring Boot is the way to go. I hope I answered your question. Complete source formatting error, temple load file, expect type argument list. No, what is it complaining about? Internal.deals. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. These, but make sure for learning Spring, you need a lot of patience and you might need to learn a few more things along with Spring Boot. Yes, but if you're confident, then yeah, don't stop yourself. Happily go with Spring Boot. It's a good framework. It's a powerful tool. A little bit verbose, but that's what it is. I would like to generate this thing, man. It's temple generate. I'm getting there. What do they want me? Did I? Hello.templ. Hello.templ. Okay. I have exactly this. So let's try changing this to this. If this works, even that's not working. Even that's not working. That works. Then the problem is with the packages or some stuff. Yeah, the packages. It's not working with the packages. undefined temples. Why would Nightcrawler, you have asked a question which I have answered many times, but I'll do it one more time. So why Golang? Just give me an alternate. Give me an alternate and I'll explain it to you why. Which language would you choose? Hey, thanks for the like, guys. Which language would you use for this project or for any project in instance? I normally use, hey, Siddhant is back. What? You got a new account, man? You have 2 accounts. Python, why? Okay, Manish, in order to answer your question, I think it's just a trial dislike. So Manish, for the Relangi Mama, the bot. Anyway, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. You seem new.
Siddhant ODA says, take 5 hearts from me for Python.
Okay, Manish, I don't hate Python. Let's make that. Okay, first let's answer why I'm not using Python, and then let's answer why I'm not using Rust. So let's answer Manish first, as he's new. Nightcrawler is also new, so don't mind me. But Manish, the problem is the Relangi Mama bot was first written in Python. What it does, it takes what's happening on my YouTube, it takes all the comments you guys make, it also maintains this website, lazykingbed.com. We go to YouTube, you can see Manish, this is you. You have 1 point because you only mistexted once. Let's see, Nightcrawler, you have 15 points. This is your last message, this is the first stream. So there are a lot of things happening. With Relangi Mama is a brilliant bot. It's analyzing everything and it's currently written in Golang and TypeScript. Let's go back to the previous one. So this bot was initially written in Python using back in 2021 or 2022. It was so janky. It's not counting proper comments. It's not analyzing things. Previously, it was also doing generating certificates for all my donations. For each subscribers, there would be an alerts, just like all these bots. And it was running in a gaming laptop. So, and I have written
Siddhant
a well-working.
ODA says, it's skill issue, bro.
It's not really a skill issue, man. It's not really a skill issue. There are limits. Yes, I can make Python faster, but when I have a language which is by default out of the box, it does better things than Python, then why not use it? So I do also blame myself on skill issue. Back in 2021, I wasn't really that experienced, but now I am. But even still, I see Golang is a better choice against Python. If I had to use Python, I would only use it when it's because of packages. So as for this project, I have the main backbone as Golang, but the conversion of videos and photos, so all those things are written in Python. I'm using MoviePy. I tried using Golang with FFmpeg, but that's taking a lot of resources, time consuming, and it's a lot of manual work. But MoviePy was already, a well-designed package, so why not use it? So Golang is surely a good, of course it is. Forget Siddhant. Golang is a better choice than Python. It's even a better choice in cloud as well. But of course, the developer experience is a bit slow and package support is not at all on Python's level. But if you find a package in Golang, it's obviously it's going to be fast. So now, Manish, so this entire project, which Golang and TypeScript is now doing, is exactly the same as Python. It's running in a Raspberry Pi 02, which has 1 or 2 cores max, and along with that, there are other servers which are also running in the same Raspberry Pi. It's Raspberry Pi 02. This one, I got it for $6. Imagine I'm running 4 Golang servers inside this small machine. Imagine how efficient that is. Now this also answers your question, Nightcrawler. It is not the most efficient, yes, but damn, it's damn efficient. I don't mind using this at all. So I hope I answer. Hey, programmer, welcome back. There was another pro gamer. If you're new, well, welcome to the stream. Hello. So Manish, if you're still here, I don't hate Python at all. It's just there are certain things which are meant to be done in Python, and there are certain things which are better to be done in other languages. Database handling is so much faster in Golang. You can hate on me, Siddhant. You can hate on me, but that's the truth. Python is also a good language, but do certain things in that language which is faster. So now let's talk about Rust. So Nightcrawler, so obviously Python was not a choice. Can you code well in Python?
Nightcrawler says,
yeah.
Go.
Go. So now let's answer Rust. It's going to be opinionated. So I'm not saying Rust is bad language for this or good. It's just my opinion. Just like why TypeScript people are using Go instead of Rust. Exactly the same reasons. Hi and bye Sunday ko bhi exam hai. What? Why do we have an exam on Sundays? Thanks for the like, whoever liked my stream. Thank you. So, Nightcrawler. I had 2 days, I think 1 or 2 days to move from my Python Relangi Mama to Golang Relangi Mama. And I wanted to learn Go and Rust. I was new to the Go as well. Before
Manish
that,
says, Go low package manager amina untia Python low pip laga.
oh, Manish Teluga nuvu. So if you guys are wondering why I'm speaking in English, I have a bot or I have an AI editor which uses Python, which is written in Python, but there is Go backbone for that as well. So Manish, I would request you to speak in English so that others can also understand. But the reason why I'm speaking in English is I'm recording all my stream in 2 to 3 hours, and then I'm going to feed this video to the AI, which is also running in my machine. This is the code for that, coding AI editor. And this is going to bring out highlights. And if I don't speak in English, it's not going to understand. It's going to just omit the entire conversation. So even for this, I'm using Golang as a backend.
UV says, Sanskrit K Li 1 Dabio.
And for this one, I'm using Python, you can see. So I don't hate Python. I only use it when it's needed. So Nightcrawler, I have heard that TS is migrating Go. Is it for the same reason? Dude, you have to try Go, at least for once. The cross-compiling is a wonderful thing. All the best for your exam, UV. So Nightcrawler, let's answer your question, which is why didn't I choose Rust? So Go has a lot of benefits. Yes, it's not as efficient as Rust, but it is equivalently fast. So it's fast language. It's not slow at all. If it can run on this machine, like four servers in this one machine, it is fast for me at least. So what's happening? And the concurrency is really simple. Just go func brackets, and that's it. It deals with it. And then the cross compiling is it's no joke. I develop my things on Windows, and I build on my Windows and for Linux and for the completely different CPU architecture. Before that, for Python, it was really tough. I need to maintain virtual environments and whatnot, and then I have to migrate that thing. But believe me, for 10 users, Python can be as... No, not at all. No. Compiler, we are not even talking about compiler. Dude, Siddhant, you're wrong in this. It can never be as fast as Go. It can never be. It's an interpreted language, man. How can an interpreted language be faster than compiled language? It's impossible.
Manish says, also Rust is hard to learn, I think.
Siddharth is about to throw hands. Hey, that's not going to happen. So Manish. So I had 1 or 2 days to migrate my Python's code to another language. So first choice was Java. Trust me, I tried Java and it was working fine. But the problem was the JVM was taking a lot more of memory in my Raspberry Pi. So my Raspberry Pi has what, 400-ish megabytes after running the operating system. And JVM was taking a huge chunk of it. Now I have to run 1, 2, like 3 more other servers. And I realized that it's not going to be an option for me. Of course, it's not the problem of Java. It's just, it's not that efficient as Go. So I migrated. Bro, should I learn ML if I can't do maths? No. Short answer, no. Long answer, yeah, you can, but it's going to be a tough call. I wouldn't suggest you if you're not confident in math, then yeah. Oh, sorry, you asked that question before. I'm so sorry. So Nightcrawler, so Java was not really an option for me. Then the next step was Go or Rust. I didn't even have a thought about using Go or Rust before this. So I did my research. I tried few Rust functions. I tried to type it, and I was really a fan of TypeScript myself. And I found Go was, a easier switch for me. I written a lot of TypeScript from work. It's been like 4 years now, so I find it better. But I can say C++ is good too if you take out operating. Yeah, C++. Why didn't I choose that? Why didn't I use C++? I was never really into C. That's the first place. So yeah, no opinion on C++. It's a good language, obviously, but and I didn't really have much experience in it. So that was actually one of the other reasons I just wanted to have a higher level language. C++ are a bit lower level for me, and Rust also is too much lower than C++. So obviously my eyes went on Rust. I looked at it. I wrote a few test, language functions just to see if I can write it or not. It took me a lot of time, and I still didn't understand what was happening. So I wrote a Go function. I was already starting to like it. I already understand what it is. The extensions was fine. I can just see this and see what's happening here. So I instantly made a switch, and I ported my entire Python stuff in just 2 days. A completely new language without even knowing any packages or something, and I just ported it out. There were some challenges, which is packages. And in this case, obviously in Python, I was using almost any package I could find so that I can develop the project fast, but it wasn't really integrating well. I enjoyed writing Go language. That's the reason I'm Siddhant, even for you, try using Go once. I'm not advertising it or anything, just try it. I'm not saying Python is a bad language, but Python is not meant to be doing these things. So try it once. Yeah, it's easy to learn, but there are some mindset issues you might need to bring it out. So I tried to do TypeScript things inside this, but that's not how it works. There are no constructors, but there are alternates for that, for those. There is no map as well. I have a habit of using key value like hash maps a lot, but there is no maps. But obviously there are ways to build maps. There are like decent packages now. Once you get used to it, it's going to be easy. And then I moved to Hugo, which is also developed in Go. Then I used File Browser, which is also developed in Go. Trust me, it's a good language. But never say Python is as far. No, dude, Siddhant is just too upset. Don't love a language, man. Just use it. Just use it like me. I'm using Go and I'm using Python for converting. I'm using Go for the backbone. I'm using Python's what is that AI whispers things to convert my recorded streams to highlights. Don't take things that personal, man. It's a language. So I hope I answer your question. Yeah, Go is easier to learn. So I was really happy. In just 2 days, I started on Friday, and most of the time was taken to just search the packages and also database. I wanted to have a simpler database, like one file. I think it's Siddhant. He hated me. He hates me now. So that I'm not really a fan of Python, so he hates me. This is useless. I'm going to delete it. So Demon, if you're still here, can you help me? I'm unable to generate this because of probably this is the issue. Temples, package temples. Yes, it's inside temples. Yeah, of course it's going to be you. Inside temples, I have this. Where is my main function? It's right here, so that should be fine. And I have internals. My bot is not slow. Oh, because probably someone liked it that time. So I'm taking an aggregate. I'm not responding for each like or dislike. Web.go file. Yeah, the problem is here because it couldn't find the package. It says undefined temples, but in order for me to have a package, I need to have a Go file inside the temple directory. For that, I need to generate this hello temple.go, which is not generated because I absolutely hate this errors. Fail to generate Go. Of course, I know that, but what is the error? Expecting type list argument, which is here. Siddhant, that's not how it works. It takes an aggregate. So for every minute, imagine I have 3 likes. It's not going to show 3 animations. It's going to take an aggregate. I cannot trigger. It's going to be too spamish if I do that. My bot is not slow. I know it has issues, but it's not slow. You can hate on my bot. It's fault on me, but don't hate on the tool. I don't, in the same way, I don't hate Python. I'm still using it. But I'm not going to say Django is faster than Java or Rust. That's not what it works. You can ask Jagdeep as well if you're not satisfied with my answer. So Jagdeep, Siddhant says for 10 users, Python is as fast as Go. It's a drama here. It's fine. It is just a casual conversation. Whenever I stream, Siddhant is. If I miss Siddhant, if he didn't come to my stream, I would feel like, why is Siddhant? I don't hate on Siddhant. Oh, he's also learning. Cool. Dude, I think it's not getting but not more than C++ or, yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, that's true. There is a language called Zig. There is a language called V actually. I was actually about to try this, but it doesn't really have that much package support. I was really interested in this. So my next any web project is going to be using V. That's true. That's true. It's skill issue. You can say that, yeah, I'm not really that skillful. I'm not a Python god or something. But I'm not that skillful in. There is a difference, Siddhant. If you have to use a language and you have to be super skilled in that, that's one part of the story. And for writing Go, I am not really expected to be that skillful. So which language do you want me to use, Python or Go? I would say Go. Yes, you might be skillful in Python. You might be a super pro in Python. That's why you might like it. Yeah, it's fine. But based on your personal skill levels, you can suggest Python. But ultimately, it's for whatever you feel comfortable in. And I felt I am comfortable in this. And the question was also, why did you not use Python? I said, this is why I didn't use Python. For some reason, it's not working. See, the same developer wrote Python. The same developer wrote Golang. So obviously for me, Golang is a better choice. That's why whatever I do, if I can do certain things in Go language, I'm doing it. If I can't do that in Go or easily in Go, I would switch for other language. I think that's fine. It's a microservice. You can say that there is a server running in my streaming PC. There are 2 servers running in my Raspberry Pi and 1 server in my gaming PC. I don't really say servers. They are like event messages. Everything is distributed. So that's the reason when I turn off my streaming PC or when I turn off my Raspberry Pi, things don't really work as expected. But yeah, Relang Mama is a global server that is Golang, and whatever happening in YouTube, that is TypeScript. And I'm not really using any Python as in this entire thing. There is one Golang other server which basically uses for database, because that same database server is being used here. So those are all concurrent servers. There is only one server code wise, but it's going to spin up the instances based on the load. It was just 10 to 15 minutes work to do that. Of course, you can do the same thing in C++, Python, but I think I answered your question, Nightcrawler and Siddhant. Yeah, so this is also a wonderful language. I'm going to try this next time. It's Go plus TypeScript and stuff. This is interesting. So what should I do next? Yeah, temple is not working. Let's see arguments. Yeah. If you can do things in Go, then definitely try it. This is the right function. I'm taking a list. Let's say bytes, maybe bytes list. Is that an issue? Is that an error here? Maybe D. It doesn't give me any snippets, and it's confusing. Let's just have a plain, hello world. Maybe if that's the error. No, it's not that error. If I remove this, it is able to generate that, and now we can see the error might be gone. Temples, yeah. So you can see the problem is not with the web file, it's with the temple file. Now we have the temples file, so it's working as expected, but it's not able. What? Harish, welcome to the channel. You seem new. Yeah, I'm using Go Fiber Web REST API framework. Yes, I have a lot of Go servers and everything is run using Fiber. I'm not saying it's best again. Don't hate me, Siddhant. Come on, come back, dude. Why did you take that person? Come back. This is the syntax, man. I'm writing the right syntax. This is the right syntax. I'm sure about it. We write this and then the type. Are you a Golang dev? I'm not a super efficient Golang dev. I'm at work. I'm actually full stack dev, but I'm not really a Golang dev. I use Golang for my personal projects, but I don't really work as a professional Golang developer. So if you're looking for someone who is super expert in Go, then that's not me. But it's still, welcome to the channel. Relang Mama is my board, which is written in Go and TypeScript, hosted in Raspberry Pi. This is my stream. It's all about coding and a little bit of gaming. I'm a gamer as well. I speak in English because I have a AI editor which can only understand English. A React with Spring Boot? No. It's Angular, Java, Python, Oracle DB, MongoDB, and AWS. Based on the work, I just have to manage all this thing. It's Angular plus Python and Java. So on-off, we have like on-premises, which is run using Java, and we have cloud servers, which are Python. There are like 10 to 15 servers, which are also in Node.js, but those are like legacy servers. No one really touches them until something happens. I didn't really work with those in my whole 1 to 2 years of working for the same company. It's an insurance-based company, so that means the logics or the business logics, they are not really changed too often because those are really critical. So.
Siddhant Oda says, my love for you will only deepen with time, brother. We will have beautiful moments over time and cherish our togetherness for eternity. But Python Go.
It's fine. You can hate Go. I don't mind it. Tell me, why do you hate Go? So Harish, you can try the speak command. Everything is built along during live streams. You can try the speak command, you can try put commands, you can control what appears on my face. If you're learning Go, then I think you can watch my streams because I do mistakes, I learn step by steps. So it's a better way to learn. But if you want to learn from a super expert of Go, then I'm not that person. So I'm unable to. Demon, I'm sure I'm doing the right thing. Maybe you're confused with Rust. Maybe in Rust we write in this way, or do I have to write in? I'm so sorry, Demon. Dude, this is not the right way, right? Did I get confused or for some reason? How do you define these?
Demon says, told
Yeah.
you.
Oh my god, I don't know where to put my face now. So if I do this, I wouldn't get any errors? Oh my goodness. Respect. Demon, I have to do something for you. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. People say it is such a simple language, but almost crude, but it's a bit difficult, especially coming from an OOP language or a scripting language. Happens. Yeah, happens. Oh, I was writing things in a TypeScript way. Maybe that's the reason. So yeah, Harish, just now, if Demon was not here, I would have wasted an hours trying to figure out what's the issue. Man, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I have to maintain some Excel sheet so that I can show all the help I got from viewers in my YouTube section somewhere here. How can I do that? Let's maintain, as of now, let's maintain a sheet or something. But one day I'm definitely going to do that. I'm going to, shout outs, whatever I can. Sign in. Oh, not this one. There is my Google Chrome. Feeds. Sign in. 1 second, guys. Yeah, there is no personal data here. Yeah, spreadsheet. So, Demon helped a ton in Temple, and then syntax for types. And then Siddhant, there was another guy, the guy who codes, help with AI editor, and then VJ Benham.
Siddhant OTA says,
1v,
or
1
you
lol.
can cursor and let your brain forget the line between
No.
prompt and code and surrender
No,
yourself to
no,
AI
no,
for
no, no,
enlightenment
no.
of your code base.
You are doing it wrong. Do not use an AI editor, dude. Dude, I was about to write your name, Jagdeep. Trust me, but I don't even know that. You helped me. What should I write? Tell me. You helped me with the initial Go-based servers. There was some other person. I don't know. What is his name? Iconic? He helped me with semaphore and metaphor or something. Are you Telugu? Yes, bro. 100%. They loop. Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, that's the thing. I kind of forgot. So Siddhant helped me with something. He helped me with the TypeScript stuff. Emine? Una. Acha, name suggest.
Siddhant OTA says, I am the life of the stream.
Reeling mama, అందుకని నీకు తెలిసిపోయి ఉంటుంది. He surely cried while you migrated to Golang. No. Siddhant was one of the core pillar of my stream. Jagdeep, Siddhant, Iconic. I mean, there are older viewers. Like 1 year back, there was Iconic, Hacker, Jayant. There were every time I stream. Let's call it in this way. So I streamed on 21 to 2022. Iconic was really hardcore. And there was some of there was another session, and then we are currently on this session. Dwapar Yug, Kali Yug, and let's say this is another Yug. So in this stream, Jagdeep Singh, Siddhant, Satyam, I don't know where Satyam is. Yeah, that's true. You can't focus on study. Maybe you're not enjoying, you have to study, that's why you're facing issues. But I really wish it could at least throw, an interpret issue, an error here. Harish, you can try using speak command. Reeling mama is my bot. Oh, Manjit, you have 100 points. Did you really have 100 points? No, not here. What is Manthan? Sorry. Yeah, 100 points, man. Can't focus on study. What to do? You have an Instagram. You have an Instagram on your profile picture. Delete that shit.
Harish says, I believe Mux web framework is heavily used.
Web framework. I tried it for some reason. Mux framework. I tried it. Still I picked Fiber for some reason. There was a reason for that. So Fiber had.
Siddhant OTA says, you can claim the points by pinging him on Discord. He sent an SSD to me from Amazon.
Show my face. You better take it back. Accept that it's a lie. Accept that it's a lie. If not, I'm going to drop a curse for you. If you don't take it back, you'll have FPS drops in your games. I'm going to release it. You better take it back. All right, I'm taking it back. No problem. That's not true. That's not true. I don't really have anything to give away. If you guys want these XP pen, I'm not really using it. It's one of the e-waste I bought. So back to gaming.
Siddhant OTA says, my Mac doesn't even
you
run
have
games
a Mac
LOL
Mini.
0
Yeah.
FPS to start with.
Yeah. You have a Mac. All right, guys. Siddhant has a Mac. So let's see, does it work fine? Okay.
Harish says, does it track the number of messages sent and display on screen?
Yeah, Relangi Mama is a smart thing. It does. Oh, you are successfully using the speak command. It does everything. It does the likes and stuff. If you like my stream, something's going to happen, and that is also handled by Relangi Mama. It's Golang and TypeScript. If you're asking as a programming wise, but yeah, Golang Mama does all those things. If it also helps, if you want to know your points, just type exclamation points and you'll know. If you want to have a commands list, just type exclamation CMD and it's going to show that. But I'm not going to record all the comments you have sent. That's basically not really needed. I'm just going to track the last message you sent and when did you send, on what stream did you send, so that I have a track. Those are all the list of comments. And you have now reached 10 points. You can see the toast. Those things are also handled by it. And Relangi Mama was built along with the live stream. Jagdeep, Siddhant, Satyam, Iconic was all those viewers who helped me during those times. Except Siddhant. Siddhant was like, why not use Python? Use Python. Just joking. Include temple generate command in. I think I did it.
Siddhant OTA says, hey, my points -1010.
Oh, you have already reached 1,000? Oh, I promise Siddhant that if once he reaches 1,000, I'm going to do something with those points. As of now, everything is free, but I have to do something. So this is what I did, temple generate.
Harish says, wow, I didn't know when YouTube turned to Twitch.
It didn't, I turned it to Twitch. Jagdeep has 975 points. Well, Jagdeep still didn't reach 1,000, so I'm still good here. What do you mean not there? Free command? Do I have to write what? Post command? Well, I have to generate the temples before. I think I'm doing it right. Let's see. At the start of the file. What do you mean start of the file? Over here? Color log. I'm not even using any logs. Screen false. But the problem is the temples are inside another directory. Maybe I need to do a CD and then do it. Oh, Manthan Darji. So this is the Manthan. Then who is the other Manthan? So that's why, dude, you have two. Dude, you ought to know. Yes. Go fiber with temple is more like an EJS, but more you can say like a handlebars. Yeah, you are the same. Yeah. Ice thing is not working for some reason. I couldn't find the same replicate of the ice. Flask Ninja. I'm using Flask as well, Siddhant. I'm using Flask for my Python version. Let me try. I couldn't find the same ice filter which I used to use back in the day. Let's pick one for ice. Do you like it? Super cool. So yeah, that goes. Yeah, no problem. Oh, I forgot what am I using now? What is this? Oh, that's frog. Yeah, that's what happens when you put frog. Let me deal with that. Yeah, this is the one. I'm adding it and I'm setting it as Control Shift E. Okay, I think I already have eyes. Why doesn't it work in that way? So this is what? This is for joke. Okay. Actions. Where is it? Eyes. Yep. You can try eyes now. It should work. Give it a try. Iron Man is not. Maybe I disabled it because you guys are putting random stuff. I just disabled it. Now try ice. Why would Hulk trigger Thanos? Yeah, ice is working. Okay. Tell me what more you guys want. I can add like 10 more. What more do you guys want me to try? It was Hulk. I don't think I can find something for Hulk. Hulk is not that good. I tried it. So this is not even. This doesn't even look like Hulk. Right. What else you want me to try? Demon. Oh, there were a lot of messages. Do you remember me? Oh, sorry. Let's scroll back at the start of the file. Okay, I didn't really. Is it here? No. Or over here? Manthan put I. Okay. Do you remember, man? I was the first to cross. Yes. And you said you had something. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I wasn't really expecting people to cross like 500 in the first place. So I just had a false promise saying that before you reach 500, I will do something with those points. Yeah, that's done. Everyone is just spamming. Put inside, dude. So ice is working. Come on. There's nothing better for Hulk, so let's ignore that. Shall we put? There was something which was ugly, man. It was really weird. We have Iron Man. Let's try Spider-Man. We have Captain. I'll try to look for Captain, but they were not really that good at all. Hey, I didn't really like it. Clear. There should be a command for what? Oh, you're talking about this Golang. Demon is a wonderful viewer. YouTube really stepped hard on AI. Why do you say that? I didn't really. YouTube streaming is not that advanced than Twitch. The only good thing is they got a lot of money, so they're doing things. I don't see a command. Do you want me to initiate command? There should be a command, but where is it? So that's why I wrote it in this pre command. I think it's better to write it. What's happening? Oh, someone liked my stream. Thank you so much.
Iconic of Savarjoy says, hello world.
Iconic of. Welcome to the stream. Iconic. I'm going to call you Iconic as a Savarjoy. What should I call it? Iconic cow. Savarjoy. Thanks for the like, guys. So I'm going to call you Iconic. Iconic, welcome to the stream. If you like my stream, this is going to happen. If you dislike, something's going to happen. Are you the same Iconic or you're different Iconic? Return welcome. Are you the same Iconic? That's impossible. You're not the same icon. Someone liked my stream. Thank you so much. Guys, let's try to fix this, please. Standoff 2. Oh, you're that iconic. Welcome. Then you're not iconic. You had a different name back then. Oh my god, here comes the ski spam. Yeah, if it's the same, we will all know. Yeah. Welcome, iconic. Welcome. I still use standoff. I still play the game standoff 2 while I am in the restroom. So where is it? Standoff 2, right here. While I am pooping, I would play that game. It's a wonderful game. Thank you for that suggestion of the game. Dude, why are you writing Python snippets, man? I don't really see anything here. If it works fine, then I'm not going to complain about it, Damon. If it works fine, then I'm fine with it. Your UI? What's happening? Chromium. Come on, open up an instance, dude. Oh. Why don't you play games, bro? Just chill on streams. I do play games. I play Battlefield. These are all the games I play. I regularly play Battlefield, PUBG, or Rainbow Six Siege. Mostly these three. If I didn't really write anything, if I didn't really get any proper internet, I would just play City Skylines. I was trying to recall the name.
Siddhant OTA says, let's play some web-based game.
I would like to finish this template. I'm a big Battlefield fan, by the way. So I have the temples. How do I do a map inside this? PUBG PC? I do play PUBG PC. Also, I play PUBG PC on my gaming phone. This is my primary. This is my gaming. PC, I'm not really that good at it, man. I get interest, but I only play that quick matches mode, and I usually win those games, but not that much. You only have one deal? It's impossible. I'm having too many cores. Let's see. Creating temple, syntax, and usage. Basic syntax. Where is the for loops? Yeah, here is the for loops. Oh, this is how I do it. Okay. For deal in that's not the right one. I don't have any snippets for this.
Harish says, I used to play PUBG for 8 hours a day during those good old Corona days.
Dude, Corona days, I was like heavy in gaming, man. Heavy in gaming. There is an error for some reason. What is this? Do I have to use a component for sure? Okay, and there is no such thing as items. So items, range items, it should be a deal, and it should be deal dot. Oh, finally I'm getting the snippets. Awesome. So now I can just bring that here. I can just bring this. Thank you so much. Thank you, Demon.
Siddhant OTA says, coming in half an hour dinner team.
Go get your dinner, man. Demon, many thanks for you, man. I was struggling to have some snippets for all those deal stuff, but finally you got me working. So image, it shouldn't be in this way. It should be... Oh, I do need it. So it should be something like this. Media, how can I... Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's see what... Ragu, what is Ragu? Oh, there is a lot to explore in this. We can generate template? Simple question. Why do we have to send back the HTML pages when we have front-end framework? Sending data isn't enough right now? That's true. I could have used the SPA versions. I'm confident in those. No, those are not the problem. But I want to avoid bots. So that's the reason I'm doing it in this way. I actually forgot what was the reason I came back to server-side rendering. I do have an application written in React.js, which basically does the same thing, but I kind of forgot why I'm using it. I'm going also for study. Wish me good luck. If I still alive after exam, you are going to be alive.
Iconic of Savarjoy says, you love to over-engineer things M8.
It's kind of true, so I'm not going to argue with it. But I don't think I'd really over-engineer. I'm using Alpine.js for other web projects. But it's true, I somewhat think, unconsciously try to make things over-complicated. This needs to be a little bit of right. We all do. Finally, someone agrees with me. Thank you so much. So yeah, what's the problem here? Let's see, is there any example of how to use a raw? Oh no. What? What's up, yo, Nikhil? Welcome back. Welcome back, Nikhil. At this point, you should use Arc. I do have a virtual machine which runs Ubuntu, not Ubuntu. Linux Mint. I normally try to use Linux for my developing stuff, but I was getting issues while streaming it. For some reason, whatever was happening in the like the VM, it's not being catched properly by the Elgato or something. So I just decided not to use VM. But I am a hardcore WSL user. So the reason I'm not using WSL is my Windows C drive is almost getting filled and I couldn't get WSL working on other drives. Backend is Go or JS? Go. Money, man, for programming reasons. For programming reason, you can use Arc. For general purpose, don't use it. That's true. Hell yeah, I switched to Linux Mint with dual booted. I used to dual boot and I used it for 1 to 2 years. But again, same reason. If you're streaming, you cannot turn off your one machine and then for web development or other things too. I basically use all different languages based on the use case. But all my basic servers and things, backbone, whatever I need, like a backbone or a controller, will be written in Go. And all the child stuff, let's say generating videos, converting videos into images and images into videos. I have an AI editor, which basically the backbone of that is Golang. It's going to spin up Python instances, which is written in, the AI processing is written in Python because there are well-designed packages for that. So ultimately, the choice depends on packages. That was the initial setup, but it was painful to set up the audio. I'm getting a call. 1 second. Right. All right, guys, back. So it was having audio issues, Demon. I was getting constant static noise because of there is a virtual machine running for some reason. For using Arc, you have to remember so many shortcuts. I don't even want to try Arc Linux, honestly. I want a stable working things. That's Linux Mint or Debian was. Ubuntu is also fine for me. I don't really care that much. But Linux Mint is go-to. I tried Pop OS, but it was having issues with dual boots. And I found back in 2 years ago, I found in some Reddit post that Pop OS is not well designed for Ubuntu. Nikhil, it's mostly going to be Go, Nikhil. The formula is in this way. I try to build a project. I minimize. I just bring the snippets out of it, or you can say modules. So the main controller will always be, and then whatever the modules which I'm talking, let's say frontend, let's say processing, let's say database handling, those things are also going to be in their own projects or own modules. If I can do that in Go, I will be doing that in Go. But if I'm feeling like I need a package which is well designed in Python or Node.js or some other language, I'm going to pick that. So let's see. Cool. For some reason, this thing is not working. I wanted to use an. I can use React components inside this. Oh yeah, that's true. But that's for a bit of complex work. I'm not going to involve in that management for sure. Loops, elements, yeah. Right. Templates are used in direct HTML in this way, but tags must be closed. What should be the file structure of any projects? This is my go-to SRC for TypeScript-based projects. Go will have like an internals, routes, and utils. Pick a language so that I can. Python, I don't really use much folder structures because most of my Python code is basically modules code. So for me, 1 or 2 files were enough. I can answer like TypeScript and Go, Java a bit, but not much with Python. That's the component. What is attributes? Yeah, these are attributes. That's fine. Yes. So if you want to use this quick stack, quick struct. This is the one, but yeah, this is the npm package. So if you want to have a project just ready to be used, then try to use this one, quick struct. It's going to just open up. What is that? It's going to set up a project for you. Or if you're completely new, if you're trying for the first time, then I wouldn't suggest Go. Just type using like Node.js for TypeScript. Then you will learn some basic HTTP, calls, issues, database, and then you can switch to Go. For beginners, I think, yeah, if you are capable, you can do Go as well. It's not that issue. T3 stack. This you're talking about T3, the Theos. Yeah, this is the one. I don't really agree with this. I try to pick my own tools basically because my use cases are a bit different. Those work fine for like startups or those things, but my use cases are different. How do I use this? I am supposed to get deal.id.png. So basically I need to get png. So let's try doing the same. So here, what I'm supposed to do is, let's see an example. Basic syntax, temple name. Okay, there should be one. How do I have it inside the greetings in this way? So it should be this. I don't think that would work. Theo's videos are very informative these days. It's all about AI. Yep, for information, I don't hate him, man. I do also watch his videos, but I pick my tools by myself. That works fine, then I don't really care about it. Yeah, this works fine then. Okay. Oh, no. It should have media or something like that. So media, and then it should have the ID, and then it should have the product image. So deal.id should have a product image. PNG. This should be the basics of it. Let's see if it works fine or not. I have no idea. It should be the title, which goes in this way, deal.title. It's fine. Do I have to write a bracket or something? Why am I getting a bracket? I'm using Super Maven. It works fine. That Super Maven is more than enough for me. That's the more AI I would use. I would also use ChatGPT as well, but Depends on the project. But these kind of projects is not really that good. It is good with Python, Node.js, but not much good with template engines or stuff. It just hallucinates and gives its own code. Affiliate link. It's fine. There's something's happening here. Not fine. Okay, let's ignore this for now. See. Formatting failed. Why is that? Import paths, one or more error. Oh yeah, wait. Look at you. You have sent like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that top 4 is for this stream. So each stream will have its own leaderboard session. That is handled by Go, Fiber, and Relangi Mama. Titles, it is a property of deal, but I don't think that's causing the issue. But we can remove it as of now. If the comments are causing issues now, so the problem is something else. It says missing input. I have why is it importing 2 times? No, it's not. Missing import paths. Missing import paths. Save it and then run it again. Yeah, it's working now. It's working now. So the problem was something else. What's the issue here? There is an issue. It should be working fine. I just see. No, it's not working. Declared but unused. I'm using it here. Do I have to use it in this way? Declared but unused. Hey, welcome to the stream. I'm going to call you Shine. What the fuck is happening, yo? I'm building a project. It's a big project. Let's say I am trying to use Golang Fiber. I'm fine with those. But later, Damon, he recommended using this temple. I was looking for one engine and he recommended this. It's working fine. But I couldn't understand what the error is about. It says declared but not used. But I have used deal here. Why does it say that I didn't use it? Let's see if I have to use this attributes, then if that's the problem, then let's try using it. It's still not trying. It's still not using it. Okay. Oh, I mostly type Go, TypeScript, and Python. Why does it throw an error even for unused ways though? Is that linted? That's how Golang linting works. If you don't use a variable, it's going to show an error. But the thing is, I'm using it here, but I don't know why it's not taking it as it. Maybe I'm just attaching everything as a string and I couldn't understand it. The syntax is wrong, yes. But that's what they used. That's what they used. So let's print, let's fix, let's remove all these and just basically use like a deal dot title. Why does it give me a bracket? Do I have to use a bracket? No. What is the project summary? I have multiple different interesting projects, but this one goes in this way. I have an affiliate account in Amazon. So I would handpick some deals and feed it to my backend. My backend would generate what? Why do I have to use printf again? Oh, that's basically using the same this one. I don't want to use these. I thought it would be working fine. Let's see. This is the one you're trying to use. Tell me to use. If this works, then it's fine. I can use this. So yeah, the thing I'm doing right now is this way. It's not working. Let's deal with this. So, Shine. After I generate those videos and images, my backend will push again, and it's going to upload those reels and everything into Instagram so that I can get some clicks on my affiliate IDs. So the progress as of now is the media files are being created. If I go to Amazon, like Python, we can see the output. These are all the images and screenshots, and these are all the reels. It doesn't really look that good as of now, but that's next thing. So these will be auto posted into Instagram, and at certain times it's going to be auto posted. And it's not getting it. Do I have to use like one thing? No. Oh, so you understand the workflow? So those videos will be auto pasted into Instagram account. I have a front end, I have a back end, I have a controller. So this controller is Golang. I have a database of what's happening. So I would want a template to be working, but it says syntax error again. Let me copy paste exactly what you have, Damon. Do I have to use 2 tags? But this is not what they wanted me to use. They say whatever the thing I'm using, I can use it. Exactly. That's what I'm using. The Relang Mama bot is also built with Golang. I would like you to try speak command, and if you like my stream, something's going to happen. Those are all also written in Golang. You can dislike the stream if you don't really like it. I want you to explore it. You seem interested. Okay, so let's say I don't really want a string. I just wanted to print deal title. But even after this, where am I using deal now? So this is how it does. Okay. Cool. Cool. Hey, thank you so much, Demon. I found you. I can't thank you enough. So let's see the image. So for image, this shouldn't work, I guess. Oops. So I need to make a substring of it. So I have to write like what? Printf. This is the entire URL, and I don't really have to use this, I guess. It should be deal ID. How can I do this? So for string, this is how we are supposed to use. Does it have to be 2 quotes? Does it have? I don't think 2 quotes. You're almost there then. If reels are, yes, I am almost there. The next thing is automatically posting into Instagram, but my account is not that business oriented or content creator account, so I might need to manually deploy it as of now, but I'm not going to directly post it to Instagram. There is an API called Buffer, if you guys know. I just create some post in the Buffer, and Buffer is going to upload it to Instagram. Once I get enough followers, I think it's 1,000 which is needed, and after that I can have my own API. That's the plan. We never know what happens. It's not working here. Printf string.